Welcome, Leo. In your psychic reading from the month of September to December, in this reading, I will channel some messages for you from my spirit guides, angels, and divine. Remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. So, Leo, I am getting from the past few months, you guys were dealing with some karmic friends, people, or lovers. And you guys are really fed up from all these persons, and you really wanted to move on in your life with love, happiness, and joy. And from the past full moon, you guys are releasing a lot of things, you guys are healing yourself. And from the month of September to December, I am seeing a business proposal is coming towards you. A new career, a new job is coming towards you, and I am seeing your friends and family members will help you to grab this opportunity. If you guys have applied into multinational companies or in any other organization for your career, then best of luck, guys. I am seeing a lot of career growth and new career here for you. I am also getting, guys, you really wanted to be with your soulmate at this time, like you are really fed up from all the failed relationship, from all the karmic and toxic people, and you really wanted to be with someone special who treat you special and who make you feel loved and happy. So I am seeing a soulmate is coming towards you, Leo, and I am also seeing manifestation here. If you guys are manifesting a connection, a soulmate connection or twin flame connection, then guys, this connection is coming towards you in the month of November or December. But here I am getting, please check their background before falling for them. Because I am seeing you guys have trust issues because of your past, and before entering into any new relationship, please check their background, check where they have come from, what is their past, and especially please check their financial status before falling for them. I am also seeing new friends are coming towards you, Leo. These people have good intentions for you, and these will help you to heal yourself, to activate the divine within yourself, and this guy will introduce you with the concept of manifestation. If you are unaware about manifestation, law of attraction, and healing, some of you will be with their soulmate by the end of this year, because I'm seeing you guys are really manifesting this person from a very long period of time, and this person is also manifesting you. I am also seeing someone from your past is coming back into your life. For some people it could be karmic situation, a karmic partner, or some of you this is a twin flame connection if you guys are in separation, and this will happen in the month of November. So here, guys, I am getting and I am seeing you should be careful, you should pay attention to your past, what they done to you, what there were intentions towards you before falling for them, before forgiving them. And here I am seeing please forgive them. Forgiveness does not mean reconciliation. If you does not want to reconcile with them, it's okay, just move on with your life with self-love and let go of all these energies. So you should be mindful while dealing with these people, because I am seeing a lot of negative energy is coming with these people who are coming back into your life from the past, because they are surrounded by negativity, ego, and lower vibrational people. So guys, I'm seeing these upcoming months will be full of growth, full of joy, healing, transformation, new career, balance, and I am also seeing financial gain is coming towards you. If you guys are in fear because of your financial situation, then don't worry. I am seeing by the end of December you will be financially stable and you will have good amount of money. I'm also seeing a lot of manifestations are coming true for you guys. If you are manifesting money, I am especially getting here money and soulmate connection for you. If you guys are manifesting money, career is also related to money. and love, then congratulations guys, your manifestations are coming true. If you guys are not yet manifest money, relationship or career, then this is a good time to manifest your career, love and relationship, because these 3 months are gonna be full of vibrational, happy, joyful month for all of you, and healing will take place in this month and you will heal yourself in upcoming month. I'm also seeing some of you guys will go through a spiritual awakening, and some of you will go through third eye opening, because I'm sensing a lot of energy at my third eye area. So if you guys are on a spiritual journey, then you can expect third eye opening. I am also getting guys, a lot of people are coming into your life. A big circle of friendship is coming towards you. If you guys are manifesting friends, then this is a really good sign guys. These friends will help you to achieve your dreams. They will motivate you to do best in your life and expect best in your life. I am seeing a spot from the universe is coming towards you. I am seeing ancestral spot here and spirit guide spot here for you guys. If you were not meet your spirit guides yet, then please go forward with guided meditation and you will come to know who's your spirit guides, because I am seeing your spirit guides want to connect with you and they have specific messages for you guys. I am also seeing a lot of courage, strength, motivation and confidence is coming towards you guys. Your energies are about to change, a lot of confidence, and you will move toward conclusion from the confusion guys. You will be a whole different person at the end of December. All you just need to is be with yourself and be present. I am seeing a lot of positive energies are coming towards you. I am also sensing here some of you really seeing dragonflies all around you, butterflies all around you. These are the signs from your angels that you are not alone. They are all around you. They want to help you. They just need your attention. Please give them sign. You want to receive messages from them and you will see signs clearly everywhere. You will able to sense the messages of angel all around you. So guys, this 3 month gonna be amazing month for all of you. From the end of the September you will start feeling change in your life. A lot of abundance, prosperity, a new love, a new career is coming towards you, but be careful with the people of past and please check the background of the person before falling for someone. So this was for you, Leo. If you like this video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in another reading. Bye bye.